Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As today we are going to start a new poem that is a gate from your NCRT book, that is Honeysuckle book, okay? And in which we are going to see the second poem, like the upcoming next poem, that is the wonderful words, okay? What we are express means the words which we are using to express our thoughts which is going in our mind, that words consider as wonderful words, not the slang languages, okay, but the words which we are using wonderfully, okay. Imagine a world without language. Can you imagine a world without language? No, there's no world like without language. Even the dumb people also, they use some of the language which is called as a sign language, okay, which the dumb or the deaf people use their own hands, their own way to convey their words, what is going in their own mind, and they use sign languages, okay. So there's no any world where we are not using language. They may be different, but still we are using some kinds of languages to express our thoughts, right? All humans speak at least one language, yes. Even the newborn baby, when they born, when they start learning things or when they hear something, the words, the languages is expressed, and first he or she will try to explain or to convey their point with the particular language which he was very familiar, which he or she was very familiar, he was listening from his own childhood. And when he will start speaking something, he will speak the first, the only one language which he was hearing from we guys, okay. The words we speak bring out our thoughts, yes. uh, for example, for explaining this poem, I'm using the words wisely so that I could explain you what is the meaning of this poem, what I want to express from this poem, what exactly the meaning of this poem, right? So I'm using some kind of words like to express you my thoughts, and my thoughts which is going in my mind, and continuously I'm speaking, because जो भी मेरे मन में आ रहा है फटाफट मैं बोलते जा रही हूँ, and that word is considered as a wonderful words, okay, not the slang languages. Now read the following poems on words. Okay, now we'll see the poem which is based on the words. How the words matters, how it is important, what's the beautiful thing. Okay, so let's continue. Never let a thought shrivel and die. Shrivel means waste. Okay, never, we should never waste our thought, or we should never kill our thought. Means whatever we are thinking, when if we when we think that like for example, I will tell you, when we are taking a pledge to reduce our weight, or to means do some kind of heavy work, like studying, I want to study it from tomorrow, means these are our thoughts, okay. So it should not be killed, it should not be waste, okay. You should use that initial stage with thoda thoda karna hai, but we should bring it on, okay. So never let a thought to waste and to kill it for want of a way to say it. For like means when we are saying, okay, when we want to say, we use the word, we use that word. अगर मुझे कुछ कहना है अभी, तो राइट नाउ आई एम यूजिंग माई लैंग्वेजेस, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. इवन वी नो, at least we know two languages, Hindi and English, right? And most of the people are there who know many more languages, more than 10, more than 15. Okay, they are the most intelligent, they are considered as an intelligent person, because they have the ability to grasp that all the languages they know, right? So for want, when we want to say anything, we can't, means when we are not dumb, अगर हम लोग कुछ बोल सकते हैं when तो बोलने के लिए we will use the word which is going in our mind. For English is a wonderful game, and all of you can play it. Yes, for using English languages, we use many kinds of game. We play many kinds of game like letter words, like word exchange, like many things are there when we are in English. We are using many kinds of game, like for expressing our thoughts, for expressing our expression means whatever the things we want to express, we use just words, not just the English, anything like Hindi, English, और many languages like जितनी भी languages हैं वो सारे languages में we can do anything very beautifully. And all that you do is match the words to the brightest thought in your head so that they come out clear and true and handsomely groomed and fed. Yes, means what you have to do, जो हमारे thoughts है, what is going in our thought, we should match the word with our thoughts. हम लोग को thought से match करना चाहिए so that वो इतने clear होंगे and that will be the true. Means if we don't know, when we are thinking like I have to play the game, right, and you don't know how to express that and you don't know how to tell that, अगर उसको बोल नहीं सकते कि मुझे खेलना है, तो we will not be very clear to that, and maybe we will not choose the word wisely and we will not tell the things which is exactly going in our mind, जो हमारे दिमाग में चल रहा है वो हम express नहीं कर पाएंगे, right. And when we are using the words, when we are matching that words to our thought, it just means handsomely and groomed, मतलब एक अच्छे word को use करते हैं. Like when we grow up, when we are in at the initial stage of learning English or Hindi, we use very simple language, very simple words, not the difficult or the enhanced one. Like when we read much more, and when we are grow up, we change the word, we just use the synonyms of the words, and after that we learn so much and we can build a sentence in a very groomed and handsomely way, मतलब एक अच्छे तरीके से, which should feel like some grown up has written, and it is like very attractive and very sensible writing it is. For many of the loveliest things have never yet been said. Yes, means whatever the things you want to say, want to express, it should be matched with thoughts, and that will make handsomely correct and groomed one, मतलब अच्छे से तैयार किया हुआ words. Words are the food and dress of thought. Yes, words are the food and dress of thought. ये thought का क्या है? खाना है and the dress. Who? The words. अगर words नहीं होंगे then we will not be able to express our thoughts. तो thoughts का dress है food, मीन्स वो उसको फूड देंगे तब वो बोलेगा, है ना, एंड उसको अच्छे से अगर बोलना है तो वी शुड हैव टू ड्रेस्ड इट so that it will feel like handsome and groomed one. They give it this body and swing. Yes, वो एक body देते, जो अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ वो सारे एक तरह से I can say it just give a body to the words, है ना. And it swing means how fluently I am trying to explain you that what I want to express from this poem, है ना. Swing means how fluently I'm explaining this all the things, or how fluently I'm expressing, I'm telling the words to convey you all. And everyone's longing today to hear some fresh and beautiful things. Yes, obviously, means when we are hearing something from others, then we expect that they will tell us beautiful things or some fresh thing, which is not very boring, which is not very irritating. But only words can free a thought from its prison behind your eyes. Yes, only the words can free your thought. अगर जो दिमाग में चल रहा है वो हमेशा हमारे अंदर बंद रहेगा अगर हम कुछ बोल नहीं पाएंगे. Now, think about a different kind of school में the people when they were not able to express their feeling, express their things, that what they want to do exactly, it was really difficult for them to express ना. And if अगर वो words नहीं जानते तो फिर क्या होता, दे वोंट बी एबल टू एक्सप्रेस, इवन दे वर यूजिंग द साइन लैंग्वेजेस टू एक्सप्रेस, लेकिन साइन लैंग्वेज हम लोग कितना कुछ बता सकते हैं, नहीं बता सकते ना. तो फॉर दैट द वर्ड is the only key where you will be able to express your thoughts. Maybe your mind is holding now a marvelous new surprises. Yes, अगर आप words नहीं जानते हो, then most of the beautiful ideas will remain in your mind. Means you won't be able to express that by telling them or by writing them if you don't know the particular word, है ना. So for knowing the particular word, after knowing, we should use that word to express our thoughts. It may be the marvelous new surprises. Yes, या तो वो हमारे मन के अंदर पकड़ के रखा होगा मार्वलस न्यू सरप्राइजेस को. अगर वर्ड्स आते हैं तो वी कैन एक्सप्रेस with the words. Okay, so this is all about the poem which is based on the word which is very special, which is very very familiar to us, right? And this poem is written by Mary O'Neill, right? And now we'll see some of the exercises which you have to do. Only you have to do. So, with your partner, complete the following sentences in your own words using the ideas in the poem. जो ideas use किए गए हैं, you can use this. I can ask this in the classroom also. Okay, I will ask this all the things, and you have to do another question is also is like to discuss the following lines and their meanings also. You have to discuss with your partner, or you can discuss it with me. Okay, if you want the help of me, you can just ask me, I'll help you to this to tackle this all the problems with this question. Okay, so guys, this is all about the poem, the wonderful word. And please complete this all the things. Wherever you will feel the problem, just ask me, I'll clear all the things. Okay, and we have seen how a word is very important. And all the men, all the women, all the children, and everyone in this world, at least they know one language, their regional language, their their nationality language. Like in when we are living in India, we at least know Hindi and the English as a international languages. Okay, so this is all about today, and have a nice day, have a great day to all, and bye everyone.